So today we're gonna talk about our portable or expo stalls. So these stalls come in beige, white, or black in the HDPE. So the HDPE is held together by 8-gauge steel on either side of the stall. The latching system is very similar to a lot of our other products. So it has a plunger and striker plate. So this plunger is really unique because it does have a lock hole to make sure that you can keep people out of the stalls when not being used. The tubing on these stalls is 1.5 round and it's 14-gauge steel. After the steel is hot dip galvanized, it is dipped in molten zinc, and you can see it has holes to provide the zinc to escape. It coats the inside and the outside of the tubing to prevent rust. These stalls have a 25-year rust-free warranty. Powder coating is also an option on these stalls. These stalls have a forklift loop, so if you need to clean or relocate, it's easy to move. Attaching and connecting these stalls is extremely easy. All of the loops and all of the hardware stays attached so that you don't have to worry about losing any pieces or latches. Minimum order of these stalls is 40 an order. Most common size is 10 by 10. We can't do custom manufacturing of 10 by 12 or 12 by 12, but they will become a little bit more difficult to move because they are a little bit heavier. Another common size for this tubing is 1 1/4 inches. It can provide a lighter weight stall, and it can be a more economical option based on the number that you're ordering. The HDPE is held together by 8-gauge steel on either side of the stall front, and it is bolted together. The sides of the stall have a 1.5-inch tube that is sandwiched by 2 8-gauge plates of steel. It can either be vented or it can be a full wall. Minimum order of the portable stalls is 40 stalls. The first price break is at 60 stalls. The most common size is 10 by 10, but we can also custom manufacture a 10 by 12 or a 12 by 12, but they do become heavier and a little bit more difficult to move. Another really great feature of these portable stalls is that the stall doors open all the way and lay flat on the stall front. The production time on these stalls is 4 months, so be sure to place your order with plenty of time and to get the best price. Hinges and latches carry a lifetime warranty. The difference of portable stalls versus temporary stalls: portable stalls are heavier and can be stored outdoors. Temporary stalls usually have canvas sides and are not as durable. On the insides of the stalls, you can either have solid sides and backs, or they can also be vented. We always advise that you cluster the portable stalls to utilize the backs and the sides in the most economical way. If you're interested in ordering these stalls, please send an email to sales@tritonbarns.com or call your representative.